Suresh Kumar sir, SGM EMG, Honorable Sotri sir, Vispal Singh sir, Evan Ram sir, all other friends, Vijay sir, forgot to name.
राम सर ये वो बच्चे क्या नाम है
Arab Prasad sir, I welcome you all on this, you can say, very sentimental occasion, and I have mixed feeling today at the time of departure of Honorable Adi Gupta sir. At this moment, prior to coming to this room for this function, I was thinking about last 6 months which I have spent in. So I was reminded of a dialogue of a movie which is very favorite of mine. और करीबन 20 बार देखी है मैंने वो मूवी को.
क्या बात बताइए
20 बार देखी.
पहले हम लोग सुनते देखिए
So this is an American movie. It is called Shawshank Redemption. Shawshank is a place in USA where there is a prison, very famous prison. So I will brief in 1 minute what is my point at this moment. Actually, the actor in that movie is Andy Dufresne. Is incarcerated for 40 years. He is jailed for 40 years for double murder. He has murdered his wife and his lover. But he is a very intelligent person, very hot-shot banking person, and he was in prison for 40 years. Like in USA, if you commit 3 murders, you will go to jail for 60 years. Not like India. तो उसी में वहाँ एक ब्लैक उसका एक दोस्त बनता है, निग्रो फ्रेंड रहता है, उससे उसकी दोस्ती हो जाती है. तो ये हमेशा लाइफ के प्रति बहुत होपफुल रहता है जो एक्टर जो है, और वो जेल को ही अपनी ज़िंदगी मान चुका है कि अब यही मेरी ज़िंदगी है. बट एंडी इज़ क्वाइट होपफुल. सो आई विल पुट अ कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑफ 3-4 लाइन्स what that actor is saying to that black person. So that black person is saying to that actor first that these walls are funny. These walls, जो जेल की दीवारें हमको पता है बहुत मजाकिया हैं ये, मतलब these walls are funny. First you hate them, then you are used to them, and enough time passes and you start depending on them. Means this is called institutionalization. So as far as the tenure officer is regarded in this department or in EMG, I highly feel that he has been institutionalized in this department and in this place, and it's quite sentimental for him as well as for all of us that he is living at this juncture. It is quite saddening, surprising, and a kind of capricious moment. We had not anticipated it, but anyhow, change is the constant law of the nature. And there are 2 things what sir was telling. I am going some deeper. I am putting forward my views that there are 2 things. First, you work in some particular department or particular area for a longer period, then you get expertise in that area. And the second thing is when you are changed to some other department, you get some other experience. Your experience is diversified. So both things are equally necessary. You need to be an expert and versatile in your knowledge. So मुझे लगता है कि सर वहाँ भी जाएंगे तो you should take it as an opportunity at the dying moment of your career कि हाँ मुझे अब यहाँ भी काम करना है और जो भी एक्सपीरियंस है हम यहाँ भी उसी तरह से अप्लाई करेंगे. तो हम लोग काफ़ी होपफुल हैं कि सर वैसा करेंगे और कर पाएंगे. हम लोग की शुभकामनाएं हैं. As far as working style is concerned, or as sir already elaborated, I would like to add that he has a very daunting, courageous nature, and he take very firm decisions in the larger interest of the company. And I was highly inspired by his working style and documentation and command over his areas and doing things by certain kind of exercising authority over the personnel employed in different fields, and it was quite a learning and enriching experience for me. And I wish him all the very best that in the new department he executes all his aptitudes which he has learned throughout his career in this department. And we also hope that whenever we are in adjacent departments, so don't think us as aliens. we still can be as always, and you can come. You are always welcome. Or we will approach you. So you will keep us guiding. So I think I'm getting lengthy, sir. So I should wind up. So I'm winding up with best wishes, and on this occasion, I will also like to dedicate a song. It's the trademark of my any farewell ceremony. So please give me a minute. Thank you.